flowers. We call it 40 leg. And you know when I put up this, it's either you go call me, but I can't get to it, so I have them bug out. Yeah. This is spectrum. Spectrum. Different color, different omega. Yeah. And I have the purple straight. Yeah. Straight purple. Plus. If you want, you have to order this. This is not really easy. This is the course. But I don't have enough of this because this is an order. This is the course. The order this. I can get this for $4 grand a pound or 3,005, maybe a bargain deal, you see. But dog rice have it. So I'm gonna put up this on my status right now so anybody will know it then. Call me, hear that. We have the flowers. And this is some macaroni. This is the macaroni in purple. And we have flowers in purple, flowers in white, also a bag of purple, and another bag locked away. So call me if you want to do business. You know my number, 474-2448.